Hello, I'm Terrell Monks, and today we're going to talk a little bit about power of attorney. Most of you know that a power of attorney is a document that grants another person the authority to sign your name to any legal documents, and you're bound by it just the same as if you signed it yourself. Among estate planning attorneys, this is commonly thought of as the blank check, and frankly, it's kind of a super blank check. If I give you my blank check, you can clear out my bank account. You may be in trouble with the law, but you can do it. If I give you my power of attorney, you can do more than clear out my bank account. You can liquidate my IRA. You can sell my house. You can cash in my CDs. You can financially ruin me. It's not legal, but you have the power to do it. I say all that to let you know that a power of attorney is a very powerful form. And yet, in many ways, it's not powerful enough. It's an odd thing for me to say, don't you think? But let me tell you, generally you need a power of attorney when you're ill and you want someone to do some Medicaid planning for you. You need to do some estate planning. You need to put some assets into the name of your trust. And a power of attorney is generally not going to allow anyone to do those things for you. The Oklahoma Supreme Court has decided that there are some things that are just so personal, they're not covered by the general power of attorney forms. That leads me to my next thought, which is documents do not equal estate plans. You can download power of attorney documents off the internet, many of them free, some of them for $1. You can get some of them out of the Oklahoma statutes. But a power of attorney form is not an estate plan. Now, a good power of attorney is likely to be a part of a good estate plan, but a power of attorney document is not enough. And if it's not a good one, it's not nearly enough. And yet it can still be too much. To have a good power of attorney, it needs to have some instructions in it. It needs to be a part of a careful estate plan that considers all of the likely expenses, reasonable expectations of what's going to happen as you age, and to both give certain powers and withhold certain powers. And it needs to be tailored to your situation. So keep in mind that a power of attorney is both too powerful and yet often not powerful enough unless it is carefully crafted with the help of a knowledgeable estate planner, someone who has your best interests at heart and someone who has expertise in drafting estate plans. If you'd like to know more about estate planning and comprehensive estate plans that are built around your needs and your family, I invite you to join us at one of our estate planning workshops. We won't sell you anything there. It's strictly educational. You can't buy anything at the estate planning workshop. We're not set up for that. Of course, we do hope that you'll find something there that you would like to have and that you'll come back and hire us to do. But don't worry, you can come to the estate planning workshop without any fear of anyone pressuring you to buy anything. As a matter of fact, we never pressure anyone to buy anything. We tell you your options. We tell you about your creditors, the predators, and the rules, but we never pressure you to buy anything.